Happy morning! At ito na nga, nag-steam na naman yung glass sa doors ng aming bahay. Ibig sabihin, ang lamig-lamig na naman, lalong-lalo na sa labas. Ayan guys, nag-frozen na naman siya. Ayan no, nag-frozen yung mga grass na naman guys. Ayan yung backyard namin. Ayan. Pumuputi na naman yung paligid namin. Nag-icing yung mga grass. Muffin. At ayan na nga, medyo may kaunting mga asin-asin muffin. You wanna stay right here? Hurry up, girl.
After 50
Get your breakfast and eat now. Come on. You're gonna be late at school.
After 50 years, I never had Fruit Loops in 50 years.
Imagine 50 years. Kakain siya muna daw ng kanyang favorite na breakfast, which is hindi namin talaga ito inaalaw. Usually dahil hindi maganda itong klaseng cereal. Puro sugar. Sugar breakfast!
I remember at a hotel.
Pinayagan ko lang siya magkaroon ito dahil
I remember at a hotel.
ang tagal na niyang hindi nakakain ito.
Mom, I remember at a hotel,
Mm.
and they had Fruit Loops, and I would get them every day we came for breakfast there.
Oh yeah, I know, right? You always get away with it when you go to the hotel, when you're in the hotel.
So, Mom, I'm gonna bring this for my snack
And
as well.
no, that's enough. No,
No,
you can't bring that for a snack.
I don't like snacks.
Paborito niya kasi pero hindi namin siya pinapayagan na ito ang kinakain niyang cereal. Ngayon lang guys, in maybe, when is the last time you had that? Like she said, like 50 years. 50 years ago kasi. Siguro, once a year lang siya nagkakaroon nito sa bahay na klaseng cereals. Guys, kasi
And
nga,
I'm 7.
yeah, and then 50 years ago bago siya nagkaroon.
50 years.
Okay, well, hurry up now. We're gonna finish your hair, yo. Tatalian pa kita dyan.
Look at this.
Yeah, go. Well, this is our vlog for today. At kumakain muna sila ng breakfast bago aalis for school.
Look at that organic healthy meal.
Only for today.
Look,
Look at the organic healthy meal.
Yeah.
Compost.
No, you don't.
Yes, they do. You gotta put in the compost.
No, it's fucking sugar and you don't do that. And you're gonna be in trouble with your dad. Right? Magtiti muna ako and then mag-ready. Dadalhin namin si Muffin ngayon sa groomer. Ipapag-groom namin siya guys. Kailangan niya ng haircut at saka yung nail cutting. Kasi mula nung nakuha namin siya, hindi pa talaga namin siya na pag-grooming. So, ang buhok niya, ang haba-haba na at ang mga nail niya. Dahil hindi ako marunong, natatakot ako guys. Iba na pag talaga yung aso, ang i-grooming o yung haircut at saka yung mga mag-cutting ng mga nail. So, natatakot ako, hindi ako marunong. So, nagpa-appointment kami para mabigyan siya ng salon. So, yun ang aming araw ngayon. Dadalhin siya sa grooming, sa groomer. Okay, it's 8:41 a.m. Hey, Muffin, don't go jump. All right. Down, Muffin, sit down. Oh, my God. All right. Sit down, girl.
Head south on US 7 South for Churchill Road.
Sit down. You're gonna keep moving.
In 800 feet, turn left onto Churchill Road.
I'm telling you.
Hmm?
I don't know why.
What do you mean?
It did it again. Churchill Road. Remember that one time we were late for something? It was like, go to Churchill Road.
Are you sure did you click the right?
I think I did then, but I just did it now. And look, it's like the next turn is Webster Road, which is way up there.
Yeah.
And it said Churchill Road, which is the other direction. It just makes me
It has something to do. Maybe you are using the MapQuest.
map.
I think I am using the Apple Map. Am I?
Yeah, and I was using Google Maps.
Okay.
I'm using Google Map here. And maybe I got to get back over to Apple now.
Yeah, it's just so easy for me, the Apple Map navigation. And here we go na nga. Hi, Muffin. Papunta na kami sa kanyang salon appointment. Mabuti pa si Muffin. Nagkakaroon ng salon beauty treatment. Kailan pa ako magkaroon ng beauty treatment na Muffin? When I'm gonna get a beauty treatment, Muffin, ha? Umuwi kaming hindi kasama si Muffin. Nagkaroon ng aksidente sa sasakyan, guys. Suka si Muffin namin sa sasakyan. Kaya, ayan, nililinisan ng asawa ko yung sasakyan ko. Nagsuka siya on the way kanina papunta doon na yung car sick siya. Kaya ayan, iniwan namin siya doon sa groomer kasi drop off lang ang sit up and then pick up after matapos siya i-groom. So kaya umuwi kami, hindi siya kasama, iniwan doon sa groomer. After 1 hour and a half daw ang pick up. So, hindi ko na siya makita pag kinuha siya ng asawa ko, pag pick upin siya, hindi ko na siya makita kasi ako ay aalis na rin papunta sa trabaho. So, may work ako ngayon. So, hindi ko siya makita kung ano yung itsura niya pagkatapos siya maigugroom. So, mamaya ako na siya makita ng gabi pagbalik ko sa bahay after work. Kasi ako may trabaho ngayon. It's so weird na wala siya dito sa bahay. Kasi nga iniwan siya doon. Hindi namin kasi alam kung ano yung sit up ng mga grooming dito. Kasi nga siyempre, first time kaming maging dog parent. So hindi namin alam. At first time kami pag-grooming rin ng aso. So hindi namin masyado alam. So, sabi pala nila, ida-drop off lang kasi hindi madali-dali ang mag-grooming sa dog. And it takes maybe like 1 hour and a half to 2 hours. And then yun ang pick up. So, dahil matagal, umuwi na lang muna kami. Iniwan na lang doon si Muffin. So, wala na ako dito mamaya. Pag ma-pick up siya, excited sana ako makita kung ano yung itsura niya. Kaya lang, yun na nga, aalis ako. Can you text me picture of Muffin after she's done grooming? I wanna see what she looks like. Kasi nga, simpre, parang, yung full service yung kinuha ng asawa ko sa kanya. Full service yung pagpapagroom sa kanya. So, nail clipper, haircut, and then, parang a bath, lahat na yan. So, kaya, matagal yung pag-groom sa kanya. At the same time, dahil sa amin nila, first time niya mag-groom. So, may mga adjustments sila na ginagawa sa first timer na yung groomer sa mga dog. Kasi, depende rin sa mga reaction ng dog kung magpi-freak out o maging calm or parang ganun, guys. So, binibigyan nila ng mga break yata in between sa pagsiservice nila para hindi mabigla yung aso. So, ayan. So, iniwan na lang doon muna si Muffin. Tara, magtrabaho na tayo, guys. Paalis na ako. Papunta sa trabaho. Nag-snack muna ng cookie. Para may lakas doon. Daming sugar. Okay. Sa wakas, nakalabas na rin ang trabaho. Natapos ko na rin yung 8 hours ko, guys. So, nandito na ako sa parking lot at pauwi na ako ng bahay. 7:30 na dito at ganito na ang paligid, guys. Napakadilim na. Ayan na yung sinasabi ko, ang dali-dali dito magdilim pag ganitong season nila, yung fall at saka winter. tingin mo yung oras ay nasa 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. na. Parang bedtime na kasi napakadilim na sa labas, guys. Let me see. Oh, ayan. Let me see. Ito na ang look ng aming puppy. Ganyan na. Ang ano na, ang short niya ng hair niya. Hi, Map Map! Oh!
32.
Hey, Map Map, look! Hi! Hi, Map Map, look! Come on, girlie! Oh, your hair is so short. Let me see. Ayan! Oh, sorry. Go! Ah! Ooh! Yan ang aming puppy. Come on! Kain po tayo. Ito yung aking dalang dinner galing sa trabaho. Nagdala na lang ako ng pizza para dinner namin. Para hindi na sila mag-aksaya magluto dito sa bahay, guys. So, ito yung aming dinner. Kumakain na sila. Kinakain na nila. Yung tatlo kong kasama, kumakain na. At mag-iin na rin ako sa ating another episode ng aking vlog. Thank you for watching and I hope you like it and see you guys in our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye, guys!